In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate American Express credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. If your new credit card hasn't already been added automatically, tap the Add a Card option, usually found under the Accounts tab or through the menu icon. Once your card is linked, you'll see a prompt that says Activate Card. Tap that, and the app will ask you to enter a few details, typically the 15-digit card number and the 4-digit card ID printed on the front of your card. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your American Express credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.